So today I'm going to be showing you a quick example of how to calculate lot sizes if you want new to Forex or anything like that. This is going to be a quick video explaining everything. As I said, it's going to be a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you a simple method. I'm going to try and keep the video as short as possible. It's going to be an OBS video because usually these videos are like 10 minutes long explaining how to calculate it when it's actually really simple. Give it in the most simplest terms so it's easy for you all to understand. I'll try and keep it within like 3-4 minutes at the max. Anyway, to begin with, what is a lot? I'm going to give you this in the simplest form. I'm not going to explain in full detail. It's just so you understand how to actually calculate lots. So a lot is how much you actually make per pip. Every pip movement that happens is how much you would make depending on the lot size. So let's say you have a certain lot size down, you'll make a certain amount for every pip movement. Um, so if you do need help calculating pips, if you don't know how to calculate pips, I do have a video. Look at the top right now. I made that before, so check that out if you do need to know how to calculate pips. So you place the lot size before the trade. I will show a screen recording on my phone showing you how to calculate, how to actually place a lot size before the trade. And you can also use lot sizes to partially close your profits off if you wanted to. And it's also good to calculate potential profits or losses using lot sizes. I'll also show you a website example at the end quickly on how to use a lot calculator to calculate your lot size. So there's different types of lot sizes. To begin with, we have a micro lot, then we have a mini lot, and then we have a standard lot. They're the three main lot size types. So a micro lot is 0.01. That's what you'd enter when you enter the lot size. A mini lot is zero point 0.1. That's what you'd enter when you enter the lot size, and a standard lot is 1. So that's what you'd enter when you enter on your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or whatever broker you're using, whatever platform you're using. That's how it generally is. So a micro lot, every pip that moves, you get 10 cents. So every pip movement, you'd be making 10 cents. So let's say it moved 30 pips, you'd make $3. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm using dollars and cents because that's the average. You can change it to pounds, whatever, using a calculator if you want to, but that's generally how it is. So a mini lot moves by $1 per pip. So let's say you put a 0.10 on a trade, it would move by let's say if you got 30 pips, you'd make $30. Now you could do a zero point 0.5, so each pip moves, you make $5 around about roughly. It's different for every pair. I will show you a calculator. And finally, a standard lot is essentially $10 per pip. So just get this in your head. If you place a micro lot, each pip movement is going to be 10 cents. Once again, if you don't know how to calculate pips, I do have the video linked in the top right. It'll be linked right at the end as well if you want to watch it after this video. But a micro lot is every pip movement is 10 cents. Every for a mini lot, every pip movement is $1, and for a standard lot, every pip movement is $10. So let's say you gain 30 pips in a standard lot, you'd make $300. So it's literally that simple. But you have to make sure you calculate the lot size correctly, otherwise you may end up blowing your account or you may over leverage yourself. So make sure you're always using the correct lot size. To do this, you can use a lot size calculator. But before we get into that, I'll show you a quick example of how to do it on your phone. So as you can see, we're in the MetaTrader app, we're on the trade section. What we want to do is go onto the quote section in the bottom left, choose our currency pair. Let's say we're doing UJ, USD, JPY. We want to do a instant execution, let's say, and as you can see at the top, it says 0.01. Now we can increase this to zero point 0.1 or 1.0, sorry. So this would be a standard lot. This right here would be a mini lot, and sorry, I didn't mean to click that. This would be a micro lot. So let's say we put a mini lot on this trade. Let's say we buy this with a mini lot. I'll click buy right here. And if we wanted to close it, as I said before, you can do partial profits. So let's say we were closing it here. We could close at the top, we could write 0.05. So we'd be closing half of the position, which is a partial profit. Obviously, we're in a loss right here. This is a demo. I just thought I'd example it on a demo, but that is what a partial profit is, or you can just close the whole thing by typing the full thing. As we've taken half out already, close 0.05. It's as simple as that. So let's say you want to use a pip calculator online. Let's go to Google. This is a nice and easy pip calculator. I showed it in the other video. You want to search pip calculator right here. It's literally the first one, pip calculator by FXTM Global. And we go on here. Let's say we're trading Euro USD, and we're looking. This is good to calculate your stop loss as well. Let's say we're looking at a 30 pip stop loss. We've put mini lot on this, so that would be zero point 0.1, or you could try 0.10. And you can also change it to your currency. Let's say we're on the pound, and so that is how much we'd either lose or make on a zero point 0.1 lot. And let's say we were making 60 pips or 1 to 2 ratio. that is how much we'd make. So this is a nice calculator. Through experience, I realized that this calculator isn't accurate. It's a few pounds off or a few dollars off, but generally that is how it is. If you want to use a better calculator, use an app called Stinu. But that is it for this video. If you guys did find this video useful and you got some use out of it, don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.